Hi. Well, today is the 20th of May 2021 and it is World Menstrual Hygiene Day. And I have to do this, obviously. I was introduced to a menstrual cup 5 years back, and since then there has been no looking back. And not only for myself, but I'm making sure that I take this further to all the women and all the girls that I meet on my journey. And that's what I have been successfully doing, and I'm very proud of it. Let me take you back from when I started. So once I was introduced to menstrual cup, of course it was a difficult journey for me, because anything new is going to take time, and this body is going to take time to accept new things. And it was not easy for me, because today when I meet women, they ask me, they are like, okay, how do you speak about it so easily? It must have been so easy for you. But no, it was not. And if you know me and if you have attended my workshop, you know I also share about my own personal journey, about how I have struggled with menstruation whole my life, up till now. Not up till now, but up till at least 5 years back. So in this, for this particular reason, we started with a campaign called #menstruation2019. And in the last 3 to 4 years, we have traveled 10 states of India. 10 states, and we have been to various schools, colleges, corporates, every place, like orphanages as well, rescue foundations, wherever there is a group of girls or women, and we have conducted these workshops free of cost for them. So how did I go about it? How did I reach out to 10 states? And here I want to really applaud my audience, my followers, my Insta family, which has grown bounds, leaps and bounds in so many years. I have so many followers. It's my family that has helped me over these many years to reach my goal. And this is not a goal with numbers. This is a goal to reach out to every girl, every woman possible, and even men for that matter. And that is why I'm talking about this, because majority of my crowd on my Instagram are men, and they have supported this campaign. And this is such a big achievement, because usually, when we talk about menstruation or anything related to women, it's only women talking about it, women promoting it. But I have been so blessed and lucky, and I have been supported by all these men who have been following me, and they have invited me to all these states. So whenever I decide on going to a particular state, I put it up on my story, and then they say, okay, we welcome you. And these are the boys, the men who have taken me to their schools, to their corporates. They've introduced me as a social activist, as a lady, as a woman who talks about menstrual hygiene awareness, and which means they very well connect to my cause, and they understand the importance of this cause. And that is what my goal is. My goal is to spread this word out to everybody and to normalize menstruation, and so that everybody is comfortable speaking about it. It's not only just a women's group that has to stick to it. We have to dispel the myths and taboos around it. We have to get rid of this stigma, and I am super happy, and I'm now going to say thank you to all the family, my entire Insta family, all the men out there. Especially thank you to all the men, all the boys who have supported this campaign. Apart from that, the one major thing that I cannot miss on is the bike riding journey of mine. Now, as soon as I got introduced to bikes, and I still cannot ride a bicycle. It's just that, I don't know, phobia or something, I don't know. But I can surely ride a bike. And since the time I entered the bike riding journey, I got massive support. India has massive bike riding community, and I got so much. It just boosted. Like, I was on ground zero, and I just immediately went on like level 1, level 2, I can say, with the bike riding community, because in every state that I visited, there was a bike riding community, and they were really happy to support a cause along with the bike riding. So this was obviously the cause which was attached to it, and that really helped me reach out to many people. Now, coming to numbers, I hate talking about numbers, because I don't want to reach a specific goal or number, but I am going to share this with you. So we have donated approximately 2,000 menstrual cups across India, and this has not happened at once. So we keep collecting. This is an ongoing campaign, Menstruation 2019, and we keep collecting funds, and as and when we receive funds, we get the cups and we go and donate it to the underprivileged. And how it works is, so say for example, if I'm in a particular state, let's talk about last year. So last year, this is an ongoing campaign, but last year what happened is that COVID hit us, and we could not continue this campaign with the same amount of, or same number of, same frequency that we used to earlier. Is because the priority was COVID, and you all must be knowing, obviously I have been putting it up as well. So we were constantly working on COVID requirements, helping people during COVID. But even during that time, we made sure that whoever we meet underprivileged, since we were working with the underprivileged, we did provide cups to them as well, but not on a massive level, wherever we could. And that is what this campaign is about. Like, we go ahead and we do this in whatever number possible. Okay. Now that is the Poi wala. Okay, which brings me to my current state in Goa. Now I am here in Goa since January, and yeah, he just wants me to buy Poi from him. Anyways, so I'm here in Goa since Jan 2021, and we have even tapped onto schools. So there were a couple of schools and colleges which were partially open, for the higher grades. And we did go there. I did put it up on my page as well. We did visit those schools and we did the workshops for the girls. Post which there was a there was a chance of a lockdown, but I was still trying to catch on people who could. So I was writing emails and I was invited to a couple of schools, colleges. I did the workshops there. But then I saw that I was every day going to the beach for my workout and just a general walk. And I saw women selling jewelry and clothes out there on the beach. And I can just go and talk to anybody. So I went to them and I had a word with them, and the next day immediately I decided on doing a workshop for them. So this was on one beach, and then I did for the second beach, and then lockdown hit here in Goa. So there was a lockdown and I couldn't continue with that, but I am going to continue doing that as soon as this lockdown ends. Wherever there are a group of women, I'll go to the other beaches and I'll start doing that. I had also submitted a letter to the Goa police. When I was back in Mumbai, I did it for Mumbai police as well. And I as soon as I came here, I decided to submit a letter to Goa police, which I did. But because of COVID, I understand that they were busy. And we know that our letter is in process. Our application is in process. So we are hoping for a positive response from them as well. But anyways, so that is what the journey is, and I'm going to continue doing so. And today is a happy day for me because I had ordered these cups a long time back, and because of COVID, it took a very long time to for them to deliver the cups to me, and I have received these cups today. And lastly, I want to thank all my donors for constantly supporting me. It's really very difficult. There are a lot of other NGOs and a lot of other causes that you can go ahead and help, but you decided on sticking to this particular campaign, and your trust means the most to me. And thank you for believing in me. Thank you for trusting me with your money, and where it is going. I have always been putting it up, and I want to thank all the donors right now, and all the organizations who have been sending their proceeds to our organization, to our NGO. Thank you, everybody. Thank you to all my followers for liking my work, loving my work, supporting my work. And stay tuned, because this lady is still energetic, and I have a lot of energy, and I have a lot of travel kida to travel to all the states possible and continue with this campaign. And I'm surely going to do that, if not today, tomorrow for sure. So until then, take care of yourselves and keep checking my posts and liking my work. Thank you.